Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to log into a different Facebook account. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and find the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, and tap on it. Scroll all the way down and select the Logout option. Confirm your action by tapping Logout. Now, look for and tap on the Login to another account option. Enter the login details for the account you want to access, then press the Login button. If you don't have another account, you can easily create one by clicking on the Create New Account button at the bottom. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.